gonna do this outside, but it's crazy mosquito out, so I'm gonna do inside the garage. Then we're confined, but whatever. So I just picked up, well, not just, but it's been a few days. Am Maverick R. So it's a base, completely base model. No power steering, which actually it's not so bad once the tires are pumped up. When they're flat, oh my god, it's bad. Once the tires are pumped up, they're not so bad, but I will be getting the Easy Steer kit from Super ATV eventually. Got a couple rides coming up here pretty soon, so I just want to do that first and see how that's going. The machine's pretty much stock, like it's got nothing except for the factory Can-Am Pro Armor doors, and it has upgraded Super ATV tie rods. Other than that, it's pretty much bone stock. It's got battle scars, you know. The plastics aren't perfect, but you know what? I don't care. What I paid for it, I'm glad, because when you buy a brand new machine, you're always worried about, well, I mean, I would be anyways, rolling it over and scuffing it and wrecking it. So speaking of rolling over, this machine has been rolled over. This cage here, it's kind of, let's see here, let's go back. Ow. God damn it, my son's trying to kill me. He's setting up booby traps for me here. Look at this. My god. But as you can see, that cage is a little mwop. So that's getting fixed tomorrow. Get that fixed tomorrow. Oh my god, I'm gonna trip over this again. Child, love you, but seriously. So, but as you can see, it probably was rolled over in sand or grass, because the roll cage, all the factory, the coating is still left on there. So it's not a huge deal. It's kind of a, you know, it sucks that it's bent in, but that is getting fixed tomorrow. And then these things, my god, wake tower speakers, yeah. 4 of them. They are ridiculously loud, like way louder than what any normal person would need. Like 2 would be perfect. 4, just mental, like absolutely mental. You can turn the knob up like this and it's crazy loud. We'll get to those. We'll get back to those in a moment. But as you can see, factory exhaust, which is going to stay this way. The motor is going to stay factory. This is all going to stay factory because this machine is already fast enough. I had it up to 125 kilometers an hour, and that's more than enough. Tires are going to be upgraded. The rears are okay. The fronts are shot. Oh, and this one leaks air. So, yeah, these Bighorn 2.0s are going to be done and gone skis. So, like I said, this is a base model. So, you get the base model screen, but it shows pretty much almost all the information that you want. I mean, sure, yeah, you have the XRS has like the, you know, the big, you can see RPM and all the other junk, but you know what, this is good enough. Nope, hasn't been snorkeled. This is what excites me because it's pretty much factory, and that's the way I want it. And that's what it's pretty much going to stay, other than tires, clutch, and then I think my wife wants me to do a bit of a snorkel right here because the intakes are below, like you can pretty much go tire height and then that's about it. So yeah, she's not having none of that. So let's talk about more replacing some parts. So I got some plastics to replace, which is minor. Most of it's pretty, you know, just some corner pieces, which isn't too bad. The big long fender pieces here, there's one good crack on that side, which I'm not going to replace because these are like $400, so I don't care. There's one piece over here that's got to be replaced. As you can see, that one's being held on by a zip tie, but it's missing this section, so I'm going to order that. So that's all going to line up. And then there's another piece, the little chunk over here that's got to be replaced. But yeah, all in all, you know, for what I paid for it, this is fantastic. So she fires up and it runs great. And the sound system, that's where it's all about. So let's turn on the music button. Okay, I'm gonna turn that to minimum because this is gonna be. This is very low volume. I think I turned it up just a touch. That's very loud now. That's not even halfway. Not even halfway. Halfway is right there. That's where we're at right now, right there. Halfway is right there. Oh my God. These things are ridiculous. But anyways, music off. But yeah, so plans for upgrades are going to be some sledgehammers because these come with 12-inch rims, and I don't feel like upgrading rims yet because I like these ones. They look good. So I'm going to go with the 30-inch sledgehammers. And just gonna do a basic clutch kit because that's all we really need for this machine. And yeah, other than that, tires, clutch, performance-wise, this is more than fast enough for my wife. More than fast enough. It's fast enough for me. They make machines now with 200 horsepower. It's like crazy. So this is perfect. We'll grow into this machine, and maybe eventually we'll, you know, upgrade to something else. But right now, this is perfect for us. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for waiting for uploading me uploading videos because it's been a while. I haven't been riding because the Grizzly's been down, but it's up now. She's good to go. She's good to go. Both machines ready to go. So, gonna be doing a trip here pretty soon. It's not gonna be anything crazy. Just get my wife used to this machine, and yeah. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching. And subscribe, like, leave a comment, all the good stuff. Cheers.